Spain, a country of noise. Too loud, too close, too intense. Firecrackers exploding across the sky. Kids screaming like the world is ending. A stadium erupting after a goal. Uncontrollable laughter, singing without a stage. They say we make too much noise. But what if it isn't noise? Is it noise when a grandmother keeps the rhythm with her hands? When a lunch stretches on because no one wants to leave? When a flamenco singer tears himself open from the inside? When a concert just happens right there in the street? We don't make noise, we feel loudly. And yet, we are also the country of silence, of the siesta with the window half open, of embraces that need no words, of clandestine love, of emotions held in the throat. Maybe we are the country of noise, and that's exactly why no one understands it better.